Head-on collisions in Gloucester County, Virginia. A head-on collision in Gloucester County can leave you facing devastating injuries, expensive medical care, and a long fight with the insurance company. These crashes are especially dangerous because two vehicles traveling in opposite directions strike front to front, creating extreme force on impact. In Gloucester County, high-speed corridors and dangerous intersections can increase the risk of these collisions. Route 17, also known as George Washington Memorial Highway, is a major route through the area and has intersections where drivers may have to cross opposing traffic at high speeds. The Coleman Bridge and seasonal traffic patterns can also add congestion, confusion, and risky driving behavior. Common causes of head-on collisions include distracted driving, drowsy driving, impaired driving, improper passing, wrong-way driving, and overcorrecting after drifting onto the shoulder. When a driver crosses the center line or enters oncoming traffic, the results are often catastrophic. Victims of these crashes may suffer traumatic brain injuries, spinal cord injuries, chest trauma, internal bleeding, broken bones, severe lacerations, burns, and emotional trauma. A traumatic brain injury can happen even when the head does not strike a surface because the brain can move violently inside the skull. Spinal cord damage may lead to partial or complete paralysis and can permanently change a victim's life. Internal injuries may not be obvious right away, which is why immediate medical treatment is so important after a head-on crash. If you are involved in a head-on collision in Virginia, you should seek medical attention immediately, call 911, exchange information, document the scene, and follow your doctor's treatment plan. You should also avoid giving a recorded statement to the other driver's insurance company before speaking with a lawyer. An attorney can help protect your claim from the start, especially in Virginia where the law is particularly strict. Virginia follows a pure contributory negligence rule, which means you may be barred from recovering compensation if you are found even 1% at fault. Insurance companies may try to argue that you were speeding, distracted, or failed to avoid the crash in order to deny your claim. Virginia does recognize the last clear chance doctrine, which may allow recovery if the other driver had the final opportunity to avoid the collision but failed to do so. In most cases, the driver who crossed the center line is the one who is liable, but other parties may also be responsible. Depending on the facts, liability could extend to an employer, a vehicle manufacturer, a maintenance provider, or even a government entity if road conditions contributed to the crash. Proving fault may require police reports, witness statements, photographs, event data recorder information, accident reconstruction, and phone records. Virginia law allows injured victims to pursue economic damages for medical expenses, lost wages, reduced earning capacity, and property loss. Victims may also recover non-economic damages for pain and suffering, emotional distress, disfigurement, and loss of enjoyment of life. Punitive damages may be available in extreme cases such as drunk driving, although Virginia caps punitive damages at $350,000. Under Virginia law, the statute of limitations for most personal injury claims is 2 years from the date of the accident, and wrongful death claims generally must be filed within 2 years from the date of death. Claims involving dangerous road conditions may require much faster action because notice rules can apply within 6 months for locality claims and within 1 year for claims against the Commonwealth or VDOT. Gibson-Singleton Virginia Injury Attorneys is a law firm that helps injury victims build strong claims and pursue fair compensation after serious crashes. If you need a lawyer or attorney after a head-on collision, call 804-413-6777 or visit 4073 South George Washington Mem Highway, Hayes, Virginia, 23072, United States.